Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Haven't heard about this model in a while, the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. Reason being, the 370 came through, made all sorts of waves. They did a great job, but let's not forget about what started it all. The 320, great day boat, great weekender. Gonna have a lot of fun on this boat. This one was ordered locally. Come on board and check out what the hype's all about. The unique thing about this model is it is available with twins or triple outboard engines. This one in particular, twin 350 supercharged Verados. It's not underpowered whatsoever. It just depends on how fast you really want to go. Sea Ray does a great job of posting all those performance specs online. We make our way up into the cockpit. There's a few upgrades I'm going to point out right off the bat. You notice the teak flooring throughout the whole boat. Beautiful option, gives the boat a real luxurious, rich feel. Over here we've got our sink and our champagne well. Underneath that, we have our isotherm refrigerator. Brings us over here to our L-shaped seating. Great place in the shade. Down there you have your mount for your pedestal table. Move on up here. Got the co-captain's chair. Gonna adjust. Captain's chair right here, a lot to be excited about at the helm. We've got dual SIMRAD screens, all of your redundant switches, trim tabs over here. Whatever engine that you like or you are going to gravitate towards, there is no debate that Mercury does a few things better than anybody else every single time. Two of those are right here. That's your DTS, your digital throttle shift. Super smooth in and out. You're not jumping in and out the RPM range. And over here we've got the Mercury joystick, which is actually a number of different features. As a lot of you know, you got the joystick piloting, you've got the autopilot, and you also have waypoint sequencing. And on top of that, you have Skyhook. Really great. Down here in the cabin, of course, it's a Sundancer, so you're going to have all that space down below if you wanted to take a weekend trip. Up here we have our V-berth. Nice table that pops up too. Microwave, another fridge. Then down in here we've got a really nice wet head tile on the floor and everything. Of course, underneath the center of the boat, we have another berth where you can have a couple people sleep, or you can even connect those beds if you wanted. And then a common misconception is on these new 320s, because you have that bow seating, that you're going to ruin your headspace down below. That is not the case whatsoever. I'm over 6 feet tall. You see that there is plenty of room on top of my head. Up here on the bow, you've got triple lounge seating up here. Truly a no compromise vessel to accommodate the ever-growing dayboat market here in Florida. You want to maximize that space outside. However, a lot of people aren't ready to give up that overnight and weekend capability. That's why we have the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis at MarineMax in St. Pete. Come on down, check out this model, order your very own, and let's get you and your family out on the water. Bye, guys.